Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to open downloaded files in Microsoft Word so you can quickly access and edit your documents without any confusion. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Locate the downloaded file on your computer by opening File Explorer and going to the Downloads folder or the specific location where your browser saved the file. Step 2. Double-click the file to open it in Microsoft Word, which is the default program for Word documents, allowing you to view, edit, and save changes easily for work, school, or personal use. Method 2. Step 1. Open Microsoft Word from the taskbar or Start menu by clicking the Word icon, which launches the application and is useful when the file does not open automatically or you want to open it manually from inside the program. Step 2. Click File in the top left corner to access the main menu, where options like Open, Save, and Print are located. Step 3. Click Open from the menu to see the list of recent files and browsing options, which helps you open documents stored on your computer, cloud storage, or other locations. Step 4. Browse to the location where the downloaded file is saved by navigating through folders, ensuring you select the correct path where your file exists. Step 5. Select the file and click Open to load it into Microsoft Word, allowing you to read, edit, and format the document as needed. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.